Everybody's game time. 2018 Select Football. I've already opened box 1. If you haven't checked that out, please do. It was an interesting break, to say the least. So that one's worth watching. I love this stuff. I wish I had a whole case. If I did, I'd be in the poorhouse because it costs a ton right now. But I'll just be thankful for what I do have in front of me, which is another box. This stuff is really designed well. It looks as good as it did last year, but there is a flaw, and if you watch video 1, you'll see what that flaw is. Alright. Oops, sorry, Deshaun, I covered your face. Probably already seen a lot of this stuff, but I'm about to show you some more. I love these cards. I love it, love it, love it, love it. I think I might even like it, but no, I don't know. I don't know if I'll... it might be better than 17. Maybe. Alright, Darius Geis rookie. Deshaun Hamilton rookie. Patrick Mahomes silver, yes. Fred Warner rookie. Parallel to 199. And Joey Bosa, this is field level. Phillip Rivers, Matt Ryan, Shaquem Griffin, field level rookie silver, Stephon Diggs sensations, and Eli Manning, that is premier level. There's Kamara. Looks like there's some. You know what? I did not study these too much. I kind of went fast in that first break. I need to make sure there's not quality control issues, really. Derwin James rookie. Kirk Cousins parallel silver. Oh, nice. A Lamar Jackson blue parallel rookie. That looks good. To 175. And Xavier Rhodes. Odell Beckham Jr. I think we got a hit here. Kiki Cootie. Adam Thielen. David Johnson out of... what is that? 99. So that is my jersey card. David Johnson. Sweet looking card. Not bad. And last was a Royce Freeman field level. Premier level rookie. There's a Baker rookie, very nice. Sony Michel, very nice. Josh Allen silver, very nice. Wow, what a pack. Josh Allen, wow, look at this. To 75. I did not get anything like that in my first box. That's sweet. And Terrell Edmonds, what a pack. Wow. That was excellent. Calvin Ridley, nice. I did not get him in the first box. Lorenzo Carter. Tyreek Hill, silver. Russell Wilson, phenomenon. And Philip Lindsay. Jordan Thomas. Antonio Callaway, rookie. Anthony Miller, rookie, silver. Ronnie Harrison, orange. I did not get an orange in the first box. That's numbered out of 49. And Bo Jackson. This is my last hit, or it looks like a filler. Will Dissly. Don't know Will Dissly. Naheem Hines. Von Miller. J.J. Watt snapshots, and Kiki Cootie again, or Kiki Coutee as I like to call him. Ooh, I think that's my last. Wait, that's not my last hit. but I think it's a Jersey Auto combo. I'm still looking for the other autograph, which I think is here. DJ Moore rookie, Michael Thomas. It is Justin Jackson, numbered to 25. Look at that. So tie-dye. Pretty sweet. Mason Rudolph, rookie selections, Prism version, and Leonard Fournette. Tom Brady, Rashad Penny rookie, Mike White, silver rookie, a die-cut Jalen Samuels. That is to 99. I love these little die cuts. And Aaron Rodgers. Quentin Nelson rookie, DJ Chark, Ryan Fitzpatrick silver, rookie selections Royce Freeman and Derek Carr. Alright, last pack, and our, I guess I'll call it our big hit. Let me pull these first. We'll look at that last. Jalen Ramsey Phenomenon Prism version, Clay Matthews, Jalen Ramsey base card, Adrian Peterson, and Roquan Smith. Not bad, but not wonderful either. Not for a box this expensive. But, I mean, you're going to get one of these rookie patches. And the Justin Jackson autograph's not bad. So when you put them together, God, I love this stuff. I'd love to have a case of this. Man, I'd be so happy. It'd be ridiculous. Oh, we can dream, can't we? Alright, that's another box of 2018 Select. I'd say that I won't have any more, but I don't know. I'm feeling some crackhead love for Select this year, so you just might see some more being broken on the channel in the near future. Everybody, please like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications by hitting that little bell and you'll be notified of the next break, which will be very soon. Hope everybody's having a great day, and if you're opening Select, I hope your pulls are wonderful. Hope you get a Baker and a Saquon in the same box. Alright, everybody take care. I'll be back soon.